Some channels have gotten deleted, demonetized, and even shadow banned due to some mistakes that they keep making. And most of these channels is out of ignorance. They don't know. That's the reason they are making these mistakes. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of these mistakes that channels make. So this one is a continuation of the last video. So if you've not watched that last one, you can go ahead and watch that particular video. So it was very long. So I decided to do a part 2. So now this my next tip is actually very important, especially if you know that you use sounds on your channel, you're a vlogger or you're a cooking channel. It is very important because most of these channels, they like to use music, background music, because it gives life. Especially if you are vlogging, you need background music to give life to your videos. Don't use sounds that are not your own original sounds, or don't use sounds that have copyright claims on them. I'm going to tell you where you can get good sounds that you can use for your channel that are copyright free. Don't use sound. And sometimes when people are vlogging, you can be vlogging and be going to different places. Do you understand? You can be walking around showing people your environment, normal vlogging now. You can be doing one thing or the other, and someone might be playing one music somewhere else, and you don't know that your video recorder is already picking that sound, and it is going to now place a copyright claim on your video. So sometimes you might film your videos and you're now like, what happened? I just came here to talk. So why is it that I'm having copyright claim on this video? These are some of the things that can actually get you copyright claims on your video. Sounds that are not yours, even pictures that are not yours. So if you want to get sounds that are going to help your own channel, that are good and also copyright free, please, YouTube is just the best place. If you know that there are some sounds that you can actually pay for example, these epidemic sounds, you can go ahead and pay for it and start using a lot of sounds that you love for your channel, but you have to pay for it. Do you understand? You have to keep subscribing. You understand? But if you know that you don't want you don't want to start paying for sounds yet, you can just go over to your YouTube studio. Do you understand? Go to your profile picture, go to your settings. If you go on YouTube now, go to your profile picture, go to your settings, go to your YouTube. You're going to see where you're going to see a list of sounds, a long list of sounds that you can start using for your video. In fact, you can download and then place as your background sounds, or place at different places in your videos. There's one of my shorts that I uploaded. I used YouTube sound. In fact, more than one shot I've used YouTube sound, and it did not get me any copyright claim. So I'm bringing this for you. If I'm bringing this to you, know that I've tried it. So just try to avoid any sound that is not yours and that is not copyright free. So be safe on your channel. This is not just for short term, but also for long term growth on your channel, because you want to because anything that is copyright, any video that you create that is copyright, once that has a copyright infringement on it, once your channel gets monetized, trust me, you will not get paid from that particular video that is copyright. That video will not be monetized, and you don't want that for your channel. Okay, so I have 3 more things to talk about, and please just watch to the end, because that last tip is one thing that many people do. I've seen people do it, and it has affected their channel. In fact, some of them, their channels are already shadow banned. Some YouTube will even delete the channel or even demonetize the channel. I'm coming back to that. Now, this next thing I want to talk about is when it comes to shorts. I know that this particular topic is controversial. I feel like YouTube will not have even brought up this shorts feature if it's not going to help your channel. YouTube will not just bring out something that will hurt your channel. It just depends on how you use the feature that YouTube brings out for you. Now, this is it. If you want to upload shorts on your channel, stop posting just random shorts. Stop posting just random shorts, because it is affecting your channel. I will tell you why. Now, when people go, there's a particular audience that watches shorts. There's a particular audience that watches just your long form videos. There is the audience that watches both your long form videos and your shorts. Now, you want people that will be watching both your long form videos and your shorts, because the truth is, you will also get subscribers from your shorts, but you want to get subscribers that are actually interested in the long form videos that you create. So if you want to upload shorts, don't just come and then let's assume you film content like I do, like tutorial videos. You don't want to now go on your shorts. Sorry, I keep looking at this to be sure that my mic is still on so that I don't lose the audio. If you're uploading, you don't want to now come and upload something about I've done this mistake before. In fact, there's one particular short on my shorts list that is based on video cooking rather. Now, if you keep, let's assume I keep uploading cooking things like that, because I actually love filming cooking, whatever it is I'm cooking, or sometimes some interesting things that I'm cooking. But if this is what I'm doing on my channel, like I'm teaching you how to grow a YouTube channel fast, and I'll go ahead and start uploading cooking things, cooking videos, or I go ahead and start uploading fashion. This is what I'm wearing today. Do this and that. Or today or the next day I'll just come on short and start uploading makeup, glam up. Do you understand? All these things you're going to get viewers, or in fact, you're going to get viewers. You can even get like viewers more than you get for your long form videos, and you're going to get subscribers from those viewers on your shorts. But let me just shock you, those people will not be interested in your long form videos, especially if your long form video is not related. So what you're going to do is, if you go on my shorts, you see that I'm quite intentional. Most times, in fact, my shorts, I clip them from my long form videos. Most times my shorts are like my starting point of my long form video. Do you understand? So I just give them the beginning, the first seconds or the first 1 minute of my long form video, and then at the end of it I'm going to just put watch full video on my channel, link in the bio, link in bio. Do you understand? So that's one, I know that whoever it is that is watching can easily click, and I know that people even click, because there was even one time someone was asking me that, okay, I was watching one of your shorts and then I clicked on it, it redirected me to your long form video or blah blah blah. So there's some people that will actually click on it, do you understand, to redirect them to your long form video. So if you are creating your shorts, create something that is about your long form video and would want to make them watch your long form video. Do you understand? And when you're now uploading that short, add that long form video as your related video. And the face of your short also matters. You know that I think shorts, you cannot create a special thumbnail for your shorts, but when you're uploading your shorts, there is still a particular section there where you have the pencil icon. So when you're creating your shorts, you want the face to be something that is captivating, so you can put in a text. Especially if you are doing tutorial videos like I do, you can just check out my shorts so you can understand what I'm saying. Put in a text, do you understand, that is talking about what that short is about, so that anybody that sees it will be able to know that, okay, this is what this thing is about. They can now click, and then when they click and then they watch, because you've already done what I said you should do, that you should make it in such a way that people would want to watch the long form one. Do you understand? So they will now click and watch a long form video. It is better that people subscribe from that short in that way and go ahead and watch a long form video, than people just subscribing from random content that you are posting on your shorts. If they watch it and they feel like, this is not what I want, then let them go. Let the people that would subscribe be the people that will actually be interested in your long form video. I'm explaining all these things so that you won't make all these mistakes. Please, if you've not like it, so this thing can reach a lot of people. Let us help many people to grow. Like this video so it can reach more people. And if you're not subscribed yet, this channel, I'll always give you my own honest review. Subscribe to get more videos like this. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to be talking about is your live stream. After this, I'll just talk about the last thing I said is you should really stop doing if you are doing this, because it affects a lot of people. When you are on your live stream, you want to be still focused. You still want to be focused on your niche. Do you understand? I've gone on some people's live streams. Let's assume this person's live stream is about tutorials. I've gone on some people's live stream and they are doing something else entirely. If your channel, in as much as I would want you to bond with your viewers, I do that. I try to bond with my viewers sometimes on my live stream, because I try to ask them, okay, how has your day been? How are you? Hope you're fine. The weather, how is the weather over there, and all of that. But you should still have it at the back of your mind that this is what this live stream is about. You came there to teach people, or to answer people's questions, or to do one thing or the other. So don't now shift your focus and start. I don't want to just talk about those things, but whatever it is that your live stream is about, focus on that live stream. Once they come there and they see that this is what you are doing, you are teaching us, you are still teaching us even on this your live stream. Some people go, and it's very easy to get subscribers from your live stream, because it is just right up there. They can just see it and just tap on it, and then they will subscribe. And people will even tell you that, oh my god, I'm so glad I found this live stream, I just subscribed, because you are teaching them, you're giving them what they want. Now the last thing is people who run ads to their channels. I have seen this thing happen. Stop doing it. People go to Facebook, go to Instagram, go to different platforms, and they are running paid ads. If you keep running paid ads, if you notice, if you go on YouTube Studio, that's the reason I would say YouTube Studio should be your friend, because you'll be able to get a lot from it. YouTube Studio will show you where you're getting your views from. It will show you. So if YouTube video can studio can be showing you where you're getting your views from, don't you think it's tracking all of these things? So when you keep getting running advertisements on your videos, then start driving such traffic to your videos, YouTube is noticing. YouTube is noticing, and sometimes it can be like fake views. Do you understand? You are paying people to come and watch your video, so you're getting an unusual traffic from a particular source that is not even on YouTube. It's better that you get your traffic from YouTube recommendation. So once you start having that, YouTube can actually shadow ban your channel as a whole. Do you understand? YouTube can shadow ban your channel as a whole. And when your channel is shadow banned, you'll not even be getting views. And you know how frustrating that can be. So try to avoid all of these mistakes that I've talked about in today's video. If you've still not liked this video, obviously this moment, and you're here now, please like the video, okay, and subscribe to join this family, okay. If you've not watched this particular video that is here, please go ahead and watch that video. I explained some things that would help you to grow your channel. Most people do not know about this yet, but it's going to really help to push out your videos and help YouTube to recommend your videos. So go ahead and do that, and I will see you on that video. I must not forget to say this: I wish you success on your channels. Okay, bye for now.